We love brownie, we love cheesecake. Put them together and you have something absolutely amazing. Also, really easy to make. Let me show you how. When the butter's started to melt, I'm going to add the chocolate and let the two melt together. I'm going to add some raw caster sugar into there. I'm using the raw caster sugar for its nice sort of slightly mapley flavour. This mixture needs to cool before I add the eggs to it, otherwise I'm going to make chocolate scrambled eggs. So I'm just going to let it sit for a minute and then I'm going to beat in 2 eggs. Next I'm going to add some cocoa, just ordinary old plain flour. We don't need any raising agent. I'm also going to add a little bit of vanilla essence. Vanilla is great at intensifying chocolate flavour. On top of my brownie base, I'm going to put a proper baked cheesecake mixture. I'm going to blend this mixture together in the food processor, pour it on top of my brownie base. So it's this easy. For the crowning glory, before this slice goes into the oven, I'm going to stud the top with raspberries. About 120 grams seems like a good amount. They don't have to be fresh. I'm just using frozen ones. When the slice comes out of the oven, it needs to cool really thoroughly, so I normally let it chill in the fridge for a good 3 to 4 hours. The great news about this is that not only does it make lots of serves, because you're only going to serve it in little pieces, it also freezes really well, so there really is no need to eat it all at once.